Ndewono, hello, no, welcome. Ahambo Ifi Yokiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today, we're going to have POH Student Spotlight. POH Student Spotlight. My students are so excited to share the Igbo language they've learned so far, what they've been learning in the beginners Igbo class. Today's spotlight is going to focus on Gianna and Enemuo. She's 10 years old and she's from New
Ndewono, Ahampu, Gianna, and Enemuo. Today I'm going to be telling you what I learned in my POH Igbo class. So the first thing we learned were that there are 3 ways to say the Igbo alphabet. You can say Mpuru Edemede, or you can say Mpuru Oku Igbo, or ABD. We also learned that Aqua is egg, Aka is hand, and that Azu is fish. Bia is to come, Buru is to carry, and Be is to cut. We also learned that Chere is to wait, Chota is to find, and Chinchi is bedbug. We also learned that there are 2 ways to say doctor, since there's a native doctor and a medical doctor. The more formal way to say medical doctor would be Dibia Beke, but you can also say Dibia. And native doctors just Dibia. We also learned that Enwe is monkey, Ekete is basket, and Ego is money, and Photo is photo or picture. We also learned that the Akuku Ahu, and the Akuku Ahu that we learned was Isi head, Anya eye, Imi nose, Onu mouth, Eze teeth, Ire tongue, Nti ear, Obi chest or heart, Afo stomach, Uku leg, and Aka hands, and Ihu face. And we also learned Ekele and Oku Ibo. The Ekele and Oku Ibo that we learned was Ndo, sorry, Biko, please. We also learned No, welcome, Ndewo, hello. And we also learned that new is, you say Ndewo nu. The new part is because you're speaking to more than one person. And we also learned that Ichioma is safe journey, and Ututuoma, which is not commonly used, which is good morning, and Ehiheoma, which is good afternoon, which is not commonly used, and Kachifo, which is good night, which is commonly used. We also learned that Kamesia is goodbye. And last of all, we learned that Anu Ogugu is numbers, and we learned up to Isi. So Otu, Abo, Ato, Ano, Ise, Isi. And Kemesia, Dal.